I don't know why this guy was looking at me. I seriously don't know. People cut into lanes. One of the worst things. I hate those stuff, man. That guy got power. I won't be able to cross as soon as I won't be able to cross, merge into the other lane. It's seriously pretty fucked up. വല്ലതും ചോദിച്ചോ എന്ത് ചോദിച്ചു? നമ്മുടെ പുറകെ വന്നോളാൻ പറ, ഒരു വഴി എത്തിച്ചേരാൻ പറ. ഏത് വഴിയാടാ? അങ്ങോട്ടാ? ഈ റൂട്ടാണോ? അപ്പറ അവിടെ അല്ലേ? എന്നിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് തന്നെയാ? ഇതല്ലായിരുന്നോ? Update, we're on the road to Dandiganahalli, like the airport road, and it's all lit. Lit as in seriously lit, and the reflectors are like, see, it's this is my like starting time. cut. This is the start of my vlog, so I'll be fascinated by everything which I find on road. So I'll be finding on road. So even the reflectors. The reflectors, yes, they do mesmerize me sometimes. Sometimes I think like reflectors are the best thing. See, cut that crap. Okay, so I think it's about, I don't know how much it is. My friend is checking the map, so I don't know what. It's not connected to my intercom, so I'm not hearing anything. Next up I'll be connecting it. It's still pretty dark, so you won't be able to see. It's still pretty dark, so, and it's so boring. All you see are those cabs coming in the oncoming lane. All you see are those cabs coming in the incoming lane. with those high beams on, blinding the people on the opposite side. I think they're having the time of their life. But I really hate it when people use their high beams when there is no need for high beams. See, the road is almost lit. You can see even without a headlight. I can show you. See, it's fine. I'm riding without a headlight right now. Even in that case, people are using their high beams. For what joy? People on the other side are getting blinded. And sometimes these high beams are so bright that you won't be able to see anything. Like, seriously, nothing you will be able to see. This is one thing I hate about drivers. I'm not highlighting special kind of people. I mean, like, I find I have driven through Kerala, I driven through Tamil Nadu, I driven through Andhra Pradesh, I driven through Karnataka. And all these places, I've seen people like these. I mean, more than 80% of the drivers at night use their high beams. They won't understand how much it affects people. I kind of like that Swift's rear light. It's pretty good.